the fast-paced world of marketing, we're always on the hunt for free, easy tools that can make our workday more productive and successful. So we thought we'd share some of our favourite tools that are currently in heavy rotation. First up, we've got an amazing AI tool called Clean Voice. It's perfect for cleaning up voiceovers or videos that have background noise like traffic, birds, or other distractions. The process is super simple. Just drag your video over, select the noise reduction option, and boom, you've got a clean, high-quality video ready to go. Next is AIO SEO, a must-have for boosting your SEO game. Just pop your website domain into the box and hit audit. In no time, you've got a detailed report with recommendations to improve your site's optimization. And last but not least, my personal favourite, HubSpot. This platform is great for keeping up with the latest marketing trends and tools. Plus, they offer tons of educational resources to help you stay ahead in the ever-changing marketing world. We hope these tools help make your day a little easier. Stay tuned for more marketing insights from our team at Lustosa Marketing.